Hey guys, in this video I'll be showing you guys everything I got from the admin war event on Grey Garden. So here's everything I got in case you don't have the items that I have here and you're like confused as to where everything is. The first one is the Snapperino Beanerini. I only got one even though the event was rolled out like twice. Basically, I think what you needed to do is you needed to get out a do I even have like a beanstalk plant, and you'll need to like kind of direct it to the like big green bean person in the event, and that's how I got it. So that was the first item. Then I got the gold beanstalk seed. Haven't planted it yet. I got 3. Then I also got the lemon lion. I got 2 of those because I joined twice. Then I also got the apple gazelle. Also got 2 of those. I also got the trying to think, the peach wasp. And I also got the green bean pet. Lastly, I got the Chikazabi. Again, I had this, one time, and I traded it because I needed money to join the event, and I can't believe I got it again. Like, how lucky am I? Anyways, then we also got I think this is the last item, which is the grilled moonlit owl. I don't know what this cosmetic is for, to be quite completely honest with you, but it's this one. We got that one. And I think that's it. Obviously, we also got like some weather events in game as well, but that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.